Hello everyone. Previously, we went through the polymorphism, right? So today, we'll be going through the abstract classes and interfaces. So basically, what are abstract classes and interfaces? Abstract classes and interfaces define methods without implementation. So basically, again, I'm telling you, abstract classes and interfaces define methods without implementations. So it facilitates blueprint-like structures and multiple inheritances, right? So let's see this one with a very simple example. So what I'll do, I'll just come here, right-click here, hover on New, click on Java class. I'll just give the name interface example, right? And hit on the enter, right? So what we have done here, we have defined a public class named interface example. Next, as always, let's create the main method. So I'll just give public static void main. Let me give string args, right? So what I'll do initially, I'll just come here. Let me define an interface named animal. Again, I'm telling you, let's define an interface named animal. For the reference, I'll just I'll just comment this one and write define an interface named animal, right? We give interface animal. This is fine. Within the interface, let's declare an abstract method named makeSound. For that one, I'll just make use of void. Let's declare an abstract method named makeSound, right? Just give void makeSound. So this is it. Next, what we'll do, we'll define a class named dog that implements the animal interface. So, or let me do one thing. Let me comment this one and write for the reference. It will be easy to understand. Define a class named dog that implements the animal interface, right? So I'll just give class dog implements animal. So we have already called, we have already defined the interface named animal, right? So I'll just come here. Within this, let's make use of override, right? So this is capital O. So why override? Why we are making use of override? So this basically indicates that this method implements a method from the animal interface. So I'll just give public make sound. Make sound. Let's just make sound. So here we are implementing the make sound method here. So let's print some random text. I'll just make use of sout and give bar, right? So this is it. Next, let's define a class named cat that implements the animal interface as well. Here we have defined a class named dog that is implementing the animal interface. Now we are just defining another cat that implements the animal interface as well. This one, nothing but here we have made use of we have defined the interface named animal, right? I'll just let me comment this one and write so that it will be easy to understand. Define a class named cat that implements the animal interface, right? I'll just copy same thing over here. Let me make the necessary changes. I'll just copy this one, or let me type class cat implements animal. Again, let use override again. Why we are making use of override? Override basically indicates that this method implements a method from the animal interface, nothing but this one, right? Next, let's implement the make sound method again. I'll just give public void make sound. So here I'll just print some random text by making use of sout, right? Yeah, previously we printed bar. For the cat I'll just give meow, right? So this is it for now. Next, I'll just come here. Here what I'll do, we have defined a public class named interface example, as well as we have defined method, right? Next, what I'll do, let's create a new dog object named my dog, but reference it as an animal. Similarly, we'll do for the cat as well, right? So I'll just give. So what is wrong here? Yeah, sorry. Animal, my dog, new. So we have created a new dog object named my dog, this one here, but we are referencing it as an animal, right? This one, we are making use of animal here. And also, let's create a new cat object. So how we'll do that? I'll just give animal my cat, and I'll just give new cat, right? What we have done here, similarly, right? It's very similar. I mean, we have created a new cat object named my cat, but we are referencing it as an animal, right? After this one, what I'll do, let's call the make sound method on my dog that prints bark. Let me give my dog dot make sound. Simple. What we have done here, we have called the make sound method on my dog that is printing dark, right? Also, let's call the make sound method on my cat as well, that prints meow. I'll just make use of my cat dot make sound, right? This is it. This looks good. Let me check once. Yeah, let's run the code. Yeah. Let's wait for some time. So yeah, you can see here what we have done finally. So making use of it, we have called the make sound method on my dog, as well as we called the make sound method on my cat. So this is printing bark as well as meow. Everything is working correctly. Next, we'll be going with the exception handling, right? This is it for now. Thanks for watching, guys.